Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Oracle PH. Ito po yung bago ko na channel na ni-create ko po kasi ay accidentally nabura ko po yung account ko po. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo po that this is a Taglish Tarot reading po. Sana po lahat po kayo mga viewers will support me. Sana you find this reading helpful to each one of you. Please only take mga messages na nakaka-resonate po kayo, and if it's not, then leave it behind. Kasi hindi pa para sa inyo po. Let's begin the reading. Paalala lang po, this is just a general reading po. Collective na mga messages lang po. And kung sinong makaka-resonate, this message is belong to you. Okay. So we're doing monthly reading for the March of 2026. Tingnan natin kung ano mga paparating sa inyo for the March. Okay. We've got 10 of Swords. Meron tayong 8 of Cups. Meron tayong 9 of Pentacles. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Meron tayong 9 of Pentacles. And we've got the Emperor. Okay. Kuha muna tayo ng dalawa. Then, babasahin ko yung mga ano nyo, kung ano mga mensahe na parating sa inyo. Okay? Or prediction. Okay, because it's too much, I put it back. We got this one. Meron tayong the Sun. Okay. Let's get one more. Okay. We got 4 of Wands. Let's take a look. Okay. Sorry, baligtad pala yan. There. Okay. Now, 10 of Swords. Merong merong matatapos na mga arrangements na mga problema sa buhay mo. Okay? Or merong kang puputulin. Okay? Meron kang puputulin, either relasyon, it could be friendship as well, it could be a family member, it's something to do with gusto mo ng, you don't want something to do with that situation. Parang ika-cut off mo siya, parang tatalikuran mo siya, putulin mo na yun. Okay? And you are thinking about tapusin mo na yan, ending it. Okay. Para kasing nag-change of heart ka. Parang na-realize mo na hindi ikakabuti yan sa'yo. Hindi yan ikakabuti sa life mo. Okay? So, parang nagdesisyon ka na and you really consider this carefully. Iniisip mo talaga nito ng mabuti bago ka nag-decide na tama na, I'll cut it off na, tama na, putulin ko na. You are just being, you find it like it's realistic na decision mo to. It's a realistic na to do it, na gawin mo yan. Okay? Kasi siguro iniisip mo na para maano ka, mabigyan ka ng peace of mind, and it's also something to do na maa-achieve mo din yan yung peace of mind and give you a good sense of achieving na-achieve mo talaga siya, nakuha mo siya para na i-cut off kita, so ayoko na sa'yo. So parang in doing it, you achieve something that you did not expect it. Kasi ikakabuti mo to sa ano mo, sa going through with life every day. It will also parang ikakabuti ng, parang hindi ka na problema ba, parang i-let go mo na siya kasi it's not serving you na. Yun yung, that's what you are achieving it. Nagpursige ka talaga, you actually persuade yourself na I have to do this, wala akong choice. Para maging masaya ka, para maging makommit mo yung peace of mind, parang hindi sagabal yung iniisip mo, hindi sagabal yung feelings mo, parang ganun. Okay? Gusto mo na mag-move forward. Gusto ka mag-move forward, you wanna try new things, you want to do, you want to learn something different. Yun yung ang iniisip mo. Okay? Kasi at the moment, parang bagot ka. Parang yung iniisip mo, yung feelings mo, it's like it's everywhere, puro negative yung nararamdaman mo, iniisip mo, parang wala kang freedom to move forward, parang wala kang freedom to say, to act, na gawin mo na para naman sa'yo yan sa future mo. And in doing that, you actually appreciating yourself. It benefits you kasi na-achieve mo yun surprisingly na kaya ko pala i-let go, kaya ko pala i-cut off yan. So depende kung ano yung ika-cut off mo sa buhay mo, ha, either friendship, relationship, or baka work din yan, related to work, or whatever is your situation that you are going through. Okay? Yun yung March na prediction na kaya mo pala yan. So, don't hesitate. Do it. Okay. We'll get more messages. Kung ano pa ba ang monthly prediction mo, o ano pa bang darating for March. Okay, dokie. We've got Rider. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, everyone. We've got rider, we've got cross. Nag-suffer ka talaga. You're suffering too much about this, what you are carrying. Parang feeling mo, duty mo talaga na ano mo yan sa buhay mo. Parang you are the responsibility. Parang ikaw yung responsibility, parang responsibility mo yan na binitbit mo yan. Parang tama na. Parang you have the point of, that's it. That's enough. Ayoko na. It's time to move on and find a new opportunity and find a new things, a new beginning na makakatulong sa buhay mo. It could be an activities that you put hold or that you've been doing that you already unhappy, hindi ka na masaya. It could be anything, okay? Parang napapagod ka na, depleted na yung energy mo, exhausted ka na, parang parang na-toxic na ang sitwasyon. And with this child, this is a new beginning. Okay? Para you are looking, parang gusto mo na magbaguhin yung sitwasyon ng buhay mo. So, kung makuha mo to, you're going to do it, no? Kung gawin mo yan, bakit hindi mo ma-achieve? Bakit hindi mo ma-achieve to start new beginning as soon as possible? Kaya mo yan. Yun yung prediction dito. It is up to you when to act. Sinabihan ka dito ng divine spirits, divine universe na you need to act very quickly kasi you're not moving anywhere. Hindi ka na move forward. In order to get this new beginning, new opportunity na may gusto kang gawin. You want a new life, new something that you want to achieve. Sinabihan ka, do it quickly. Bilisan mo na daw ang pag-act. You need to make sure na ready ka talaga 100% fully na i-let go mo yan. Ready mo na yan, i-cut off na yan. Kung ano yung baggage na binibit-bit mo sa buhay mo na hindi mo maalis-alis, hindi mo ma-let go. Okay? Yan sinabi dyan. Nasa sa iyo daw. It's all about you. See? The star. You will have this star, success, kung anuhin mo ang sarili mo. Sabihan mo sarili mo na kaya mo yan. Do it as soon as possible. In order to get this star. In order na makamove forward ka. You need to be polite with yourself. You need to be good to yourself. You need to look after yourself as well. Kasi ikaw lang naman ang nakakaalam sa buhay mo. Ikaw lang nakakaalam yung mga problema mo na. Ikaw lang nakakaalam na kung binitbit mo yung problema mo. Learn to appreciate daw sarili mo. It's time na daw na ikaw na naman. Ikaw na naman na maging na to experience na maging masaya ka din. So, let go of the old baggage and receive a new beginning, yung mga anong gusto mo na hinihiling mo. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi dito na nasa sa inyo na po daw yan. Kung kusa nyo i-let go, kung kaya nyo i-let go, the new opportunity, the new beginning is awaiting for you. Okay, that's all I have for you, and I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I hope you learned something, and I will see you in my next reading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to. Please help me build up again with my channel. Bye!